我叫王家良，陕西人，今年55岁。我跟南矿干了5、6年。我是4月份来到这个河北顺昌项目，工作内容主要是设备润滑和设备维保，确保那个设备正常运行。我们每天就反反复复的，就是这些主机，就小到一个螺丝钉，每天都要详细的检查一遍。你像那个震动车，我们每个班都必须检测这个塞网、软连接、集尘器和同步带，这是每天必须检查的。你像圆锥这边，你这边那个滤芯、油站、这个滤网每天都得清理，还有呼吸阀、这个餐板螺丝，然后这边就是动锥了、油站了、油管有没有磨损、有没有漏油，这都是我们每天必须检查的。一天就是基本上就是1.4万，高的时候达到2万。虽然说很枯燥，但是为了公司设备在这边能正常运行，我感到非常高兴。我作为一个维保人员，只要设备正常运行，我还是很欣慰的。
Every step Wang takes measures the vital signs of NMS equipment. What he safeguards is Shunchang Mining's 10 million ton annual capacity crushing station, a modern production line that integrates the core equipment of NMS Group. 1 GC5065 Gyratory crusher, 8 CC800 cone crushers, 6 NFS flip flow screens, and 1 MLS box type flip flow screen. This is not a cold equipment list, but rather the assurance for Shunchang Mining's daily 4,000 tons processing capacity. Supporting all of this is the maintenance team from ENS's subsidiary, Jiangxi Gold Intelligence Service Engineering Company Limited. Wang Jialiang and his colleagues use professionalism and systems to provide full process, nanny-style service for this mine. From single machine commissioning to full line testing, ensuring the production line runs smoothly is their first deliverable. Eliminating potential risks in mechanics, electrical systems, and safety is their daily routine. 3 shifts, operating continuously for 18 hours a day, is the operating rhythm of the Shunchang project and also the battle rhythm of the GIS maintenance team. But that's not enough. GIS aims not just to get the equipment running, but to make it run optimally, run steadily, and run reliably for the long term. Thus came processes like bottleneck analysis, parameter optimization, and energy management, production and quality control. These tasks together form a complete maintenance system, ensuring the equipment is always in optimal working condition. At NMS, at GIS, there are many more Wang Jialiangs. Every careful maintenance they perform extends the service life of the equipment and turns every ton of ore into tangible benefits for the customer.
作为新矿维保团队的一员，我一定会做好我的本职工作，确保设备稳定运行。